Hi, I'm Dr. Alex and I'm a doctor of chiropractic, and today we are joined here by Jessica. Jessica has today come to our clinic because she's quite recently been experiencing a lot of sour pain in the neck and low back area. This is mainly due to a lot of sitting recently, studying, a lot of poor posture, so she started developing pain mainly in this shoulder area on both sides. So today she's come to the clinic to seek some help, and we're going to try and provide her with that. So, 来吧. So upon inspection we can see that Jessica here has a leg length imbalance.
Thank you.
But when we do this, it evens out, so it's an indication that you actually have not a structural leg length imbalance, but it's due to a misalignment of the pelvis here. Okay, so we're going to try and sort that out. Now you said it was especially in this shoulder area, right? Is that painful when I do that?
Yes, it is. It is. But I feel like my shoulder is very intense.
Yeah.
The muscles.
Yeah, I can definitely feel that it's very, very tight here. And what we call hypertension. So typically what happens when obviously sitting forward head posture, studying, typically we're leaning forward quite a lot, so there's a lot of pressure on the lower part of the neck, and these muscles have to work extremely hard to try and make sure that your head doesn't fall off, basically. Façon. Same on the sides of 放松，很好 ，very good. We want to free up here as well, so. Okay. 吸气，呼气，非常好，很好。再吸气，呼气，很好。吸气，呼气，很好。吸气，呼气。很好. That's gorgeous. Very good. I'll have you lie face down and we'll just recheck. And how?
So now my legs are even now?
Yep, pretty much. Awesome. Breathe through your nose. Inhale. Oh.
Oh!
How do you feel?
I feel very relieved now, and the intention of my shoulder and back muscle has been much more relieved.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you so much for popping into our clinic today.
My pleasure.
Me, Dr. Alex from ChiroCare, over and out. 再见.